way out here in the country today.
Hi.
How you doing today?
They must like you.
Why is that?
Hell, you was clear over by 435 in Truman.
Well, I was way up almost to I went to
And Walker's the other one, and they said they was dispatching Walker, and I called Walker, and they said, well, fuck, we got a truck sitting at Sonic down there in Green Valley. I said, you got to be shitting me.
Yeah, I was coming from Lawson, Missouri.
Shit.
Well, they usually send me out on stuff like this.
Yeah.
Because, honestly, you don't want no little kids out here jacking around with your truck.
No.
Because something like this here,
Yeah.
somebody's put a lot of love
well,
into
Walker's towed it once. So I said, Walker has towed this once. It's got a heat problem. It got hot. I just shut it off.
I seen the fluid underneath of it.
Oh, that's oil. They put
Is it really?
fucking side pans on it, son of a bitch, and it's leaking.
Well, that ain't no good.
Dripped off. It should be dripped off. Just needs to be tightened them again. You know how that is.
Well, this is a 55, ain't it?
55.
What size motor you got in?
It's a 6-cylinder.
Is it really?
Yeah, it's a second series 55. There was an early series 55. That's the 5 window. This is the second series.
Well, this thing's beautiful.
Thank you. My dad bought it new.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, that's cool.
It's got an automatic in it. It's got a 4-speed automatic.
Huh.
There was like 50 of them built. 54,
Really?
I think. Yeah.
Usually you find something like this, somebody's already hacked the dog out of it, put big motors in it, and done all kinds of craziness to it.
Pretty much.
So you don't see them original.
It was going in to get a new dash put in it.
Really?
Because you can't get the goddamn things. They got the uranium in there.
Right.
Once the tips of them were uranium and shit. So.
Gotta get it out of there.
Yeah.
Well, it looks like you want to take it over here to Blue Springs over to Hot Rod Express. Is that what I was talking about?
Yeah.
Do me a favor, can you sign your name on the X for me? You got to leave the keys in it?
Yeah, I got a minute.
All right, well, I'll get it loaded and I'll get it up over there.
It's got a reverse, just park, so it has to go up. So once you hook it and start it up, I'll kick it out of gear for you.
That'll work. Let me grab your bottle back here so it don't blow out here.
Oh, they're full.
Are they?
Yeah.
Well,
they're full. It ain't gonna blow nowhere.
She is beautiful.
Thank you.
Beautiful, beautiful.
She's dirty right now.
Is this door shut all the way over here?
Yeah. Yeah.
Beautiful.
That's 1955. That's when they put them in clamps and welded them together.
Right.
It wasn't the fixtures that they got today.
Yeah, all the lines are off.
Yeah.
Just a little bit on all the older cars.
From here, look at this. You'd never see one come out like that now.
No, they did that. Somebody's getting fired.
You know, this thing will only run about 50, 55 miles an hour.
Really?
Yeah.
So it's Sunday driver.
Yeah, that's what it is. They ain't no power wagon.
Nah. All right, well, let me get it loaded here. That's just where the shop is. Find out where they want this bad boy.
There's some boys sitting here.
Oh yeah. I'd like to come in here with my camera. If they let me.
Probably would. Rick? Rick?
Look at that Chevrolet 3100. Look at that bad boy.
Yeah. There's an older guy.
That part?
Now they're going to put a dash in 55 for me.
Oh, a little bit.
Look at this old car, man. We're here at Hot Rod Express. Think that thing ain't beautiful? Oh my gosh. Like a kid in a candy store here. I'm sorry, I'm like a kid in a candy store.
Oh, you're fine. You're Miller Tow out in Harrisonville?
Yeah.
Oh, you know my friend Debbie's in.
Debbie?
Yeah.
Yeah. She doesn't work with us anymore.
No?
No, she went to work at a dealership somewhere.
Again?
Yeah. Where'd he go? Did he go back outside?
He went up through those doors.
Oh. Oh, he went out the door already. Look at that bad boy. Think that thing's just beautiful? Sorry, I got lost in the candy store in there.
Yeah, okay. just unloaded. We're going to put it right there.
That van right there.
Jump in there backward. I got you.